Today I'm going to be talking about this Vinguys bird feeder that I've been wanting to get for so long, and they sent me this as a gift to check out and do a review on for you so you can know what's involved. But in this video, I'm going to show you how, if this is complicated, how to set it up. You don't need to be a whiz at computers or anything like that. I was able to set it up that gave you everything that you need for the most part, but we'll get into that. And you do need that. You do need a drill if you don't have one. There are other options for mounting, and I'm going to go ahead and talk all about that. So let's go ahead and get started. First off, I noticed that assembly was super easy. It was not complicated. The only thing you need to really do to start off is simply put the lid on and charge the camera, and then put it outside. Simply put the perch on. It snaps in really easy, and insert the jelly dish if you want to use that. Use the plastic prongs to put fruit if you want to use fruit to attract your birds. Attach the antenna with screws right on the back, and then you can position it accordingly. It comes with the solar panel, so it can charge outside. And to just show you really quickly, you'll want to actually pull the camera forward, tilt it forward. This is where you can put your SD card. This is also where you put where the power button is, where you're going to plug in that little charging USB cable there, you can see, and also has a reset button. So you'll want to be aware of that and be able to access that. Before operating, it's recommended that you charge it for at least 5 hours, so that's what I did inside before placing it outside. Okay, it is now fully charged, and so just here's a close-up of everything that we have, and now let's go outside and put it together. You have two choices. You can either use a strap to hold it up, which is okay, but it does cause the bird feeder to lean forward, so if you can use the screws, that's what I prefer to do. The two screws underneath make it easy to take the feeder on and off for cleaning, refilling, or if you need to swivel it. Next, I attached the mounting brackets and then the solar panel, and then attached it to the camera. In regards to setting up the app, it was very simple. You just really have to know your Wi-Fi and password. Download the app, and it was very easy to follow. Some things I really like about this, I love the fact that you can do color. It's very crisp, and it has a lot of different features like alarms to alert you when there's activity. And I've just had so much fun watching these little birds using this bird feeder. Well, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Check that notification button as I come out with more videos related to our home, hobbies, and health. Thanks again for watching.